Hello and welcome to another SAP Ariba customer self-service video. Today I'll be discussing how users can manage requisitions using an Excel upload file. Users can create, update, and cancel requisitions using an Excel file upload. Simplify the management of complex requisitions. We're using Excel to upload the initial request or add additional line items to an existing request improves the process. This helps the process for requisitions with a large number of line items or with requests that contain complex split accounting requirements. Today I'll be doing a demo. I will upload a requisition with an Excel upload file to add additional line items to an existing request. When I select Create Requisition, I am prompted to either create a new requisition or upload a requisition. In today's demo, I'm going to create a requisition with a single line item, export the request, add additional line items, and then import my Excel file to add those additional line items to my request. I have created a single line item requisition and saved the request. Now I'm going to export the request. You can see the Excel file has three worksheets: requisition header, detail, and split accounting. On the detail tab, I'm going to copy my line item and create additional line item. On the requisition header worksheet for operation, I'm going to indicate that this is an update file. I have renumbered each line item and I have updated the item description for each line item. I can now import my new line items. I've selected my import file and I choose OK. If I view my request, I can now see I have 10 line items. Each line item has a unique description from the Excel file, and there are a total of 10 line items. Thank you for watching this video on how to manage requisitions using an Excel upload file. I hope you were able to learn how utilizing Excel to manage requisitions can improve the ordering process. If you have any further questions, search Import Requisitions in Excel format from the Help menu or from SAP Ariba Connect. You can also contact your customer engagement executive or your customer support team.